Hey guys, welcome to my commute to work. This is a commute to work dash cam with Mrs. Gray. And I just want to say hello to you guys. I'm taking you along on some of my commute to work. This is not my full commute. I'm almost there. This is my second job for the day. And I just wanted to say hi. I wanted to bring you along the road. We're here in Wisconsin and we're enjoying our time here, looking at the beautiful colors of the tree. It's the season and it's fall. And we know that fall in Wisconsin is absolutely gorgeous, right? If you don't, I'm here to tell you it is. You see the red, the yellow, the green, the orange trees, and it is marvelous, folks. Let's not talk about winter. We're just going to talk about fall for now, okay? Along this dash cam ride is just me talking to you, saying hello, wanting to lift you up, to let you know that you can do all things. And I'm just going to take you along for some rides to my work. I have two jobs. In the morning, I am an educator. And in the evening and on the weekends, I take care of the elderly. It's what I do. It's what I want to do. And that's what I'm going to do until I get tired of doing it, right? So I thought, hey, instead of listening to the radio, I'm going to talk to people and let them know that they are very capable of doing whatever they want to do in life. And that they shouldn't give up. And there's days where you just want to lay in bed and just say, I'm done. I am donezo, man. Just want to get done with this. But you know what? God has a plan for you. And you're here for a reason. So you got to stay strong. And you have to keep going. And you got to keep pursuing your dreams no matter what. And sometimes it may seem like it's the wrong thing, the wrong dream. It's not your life, whatever have you. But believe me, everything you're going through, there's a reason for. You just don't know it yet, all right? You don't know it yet, but you will find out eventually. That's how life is. You find out what you go through. It may not be that day, may not be that year, but eventually you're like, oh, I went through that because I needed to grow. I went through that because I needed to help myself see that I can do hard things, you know? So anyhow, I just wanted to tell you that for sure. Don't be down and out about life. Life is short. Before you know it, man, it's going to be gone. Gone with the wind, my friends, you know. I won't tell you how old I am. I'll make you probably shudder in your pants. You'll cry to see how old I am. You'll be crying for me. But anyway, I'm going to bring you along some rides to my works, I say, because I have two jobs. And some days will probably be better than others, but I'm going to just keep them coming as long as I can and say whatever I want to say in my head, you know. That's what I'm going to do, period. It starts to get cold here because I'm up in the north part of the United States where it gets chilly. And some of these commutes, you're going to be like, what? I can't see anything. It's snowing. Well, that's kind of like life. Sometimes you got to go through it blindly, but you make it through, right, folks? Anyway, alrighty. I hope y'all have a blessed one. I'm almost to my job, and I hope y'all come back for more. Leave me comments if you want me to talk about certain subjects, and I shall do so, my friends. Until then, have a blessed one, peeps.